Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on TikTok. So you can turn off comments on TikTok either for a single video or for all future videos. So to start, open TikTok and go to your profile at the bottom of the screen. Now look for the videos you want to edit. So click the video. Next, tap the three dots at the bottom corner of the screen. Now once you're here, scroll through the options and look for privacy settings. Next, so once you're on privacy settings, so below that, you should see allow comments. Now, what you need to do is to toggle allow comments off.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Just like so. And that's it. So that's how you can turn off comments on TikTok. So again, just look for the video. For example, this one. Then click the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll through and look for privacy settings. Click on it and toggle allow comments off. So you can do that for all of your other videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching.